In this video, you'll learn how to check your balance in the OKX app. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to view your total balance as well as the balances in specific accounts within the app. Start by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that the app is fully loaded and you are on the main screen. This is where you will begin your journey to check your balance. Next, locate the assets icon, which is positioned in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access the assets screen, where you can view various financial information related to your accounts. At the top of the asset screen, you will see different tabs. Tap the Overview tab to display your total balance. This section aggregates the balances from all your accounts, including funding, trading, and grow, providing you with a comprehensive view of your finances. If your total balance is displayed as asterisks, it means that your balance is hidden for privacy reasons. To reveal your actual balance, look for a small eye icon located near the top of the screen next to the total balance label. Tap on this eye icon and your balance will be shown clearly. If you wish to check the balances in your specific accounts, look for the tabs at the top of the screen. You can tap funding to see the amount available for P2P trading or withdrawals. Alternatively, tap trading to view the balance allocated for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.